Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to simply show you how to use ChatGPT app on Android. So guys, let's dive right into the video. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button. It's really going to help. So looking right here is my device. So the first step you need to take in order for you to start using ChatGPT on your Android device or your iPhone is to simply go to your App Store or Play Store like this, depending on your device. Just go ahead and click on the search button and search for ChatGPT. So once you do that, you're going to be able to see the ChatGPT app right here. So this is the one you need to click. Looking right here, you can see where it says install. So you just need to go ahead and click on the install button. So once you're done installing it, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see uninstall and you're going to see open. So you just simply need to go ahead and click on open in order to open the ChatGPT app like this, and wait patiently for it to load up. So looking right here, it says you're welcome to ChatGPT. So looking at the bottom, you can see where it says continue. So you just simply need to go ahead and click on continue like this. So looking right here, you can actually start using the ChatGPT even without logging in. So if you don't want ChatGPT to know about your personal details, you can just simply start using it even without logging in with your Gmail. So you can start by typing in something. Now let's say explain data analysis and how to get started. So looking right here, you can see the arrow button right here just close to your keyboard. So clicking on that like this, it is actually going to search that for you and give you results. So this is the results right here. So this is how you can simply use your ChatGPT even without logging in. So if you want to log in order to personalize what the search result is actually going to be giving you, more details of what you've been searching for, so that it can be giving you what you really want, you can simply go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner. But looking right here on the screen, you can see the plus button right here close to the search button. So looking right here, you can see camera, you can see photos, you can see files, you can see web search. So right here, if you click on camera like this, you are going to be allowed to access the camera. So you can now take a screenshot or capture something and send it while the search engine of the ChatGPT is actually going to search and give you results based on what you actually sent to it. So looking right here as well, you can see photos. So you can actually click on photos and add a photo and then search for it. Meanwhile, you need to actually log in order for you to be able to make more use of the features right here in your ChatGPT. So in order for you to do that, click on the login button at the top right corner like this, and you're going to see continue with Google. So you just simply need to go ahead and click on continue with Google like this. So once you do that, you're going to be allowed to choose your Google account. So you just need to go ahead and select your Gmail account just like this and log into an account. So this is it. You need to allow ChatGPT to send you notification by clicking on allow like this. Looking here, you can see how the page of the ChatGPT appears when you log in using your Gmail. Now you can now use more features on your ChatGPT. So looking right here, you can see what can I help you with. You can see create image, get advice, make a plan, customize text. You can also see the record button right here. If you click on that, you are going to be allowed to record what you want ChatGPT to do for you and send it, and it's actually going to do it for you. So this is how simple it is to do that. So looking here on the screen, if you click on the two-line icon at the top left corner like this, you're going to be able to see your search history, the things you recently searched for. So looking right here is it. You can go back to any of them like this. So this is it, and you are going to be able to continue from where you stopped. So this is how simple it is for you to use ChatGPT on your Android or on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful, because you've come to the very end of this video. Now do it, hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.